All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to give you a quick little overview of the extended essay sign-up. This was covered with you in the meeting we had when I presented the extended essay to you. However, I want to go over it right now in case you forgot something, because by the time you're completing this form, it will have been a couple of weeks or so. So first and foremost, you need to put your email address in right here, and you need to give me your name. You additionally need to give me your student ID. It's just going to make it easier for me as the extended essay coordinator to put you in contact with the supervisor and make sure we all understand exactly what is going on in here. Additionally, it is important that you click this box here talking about the academic integrity policy of both Bayonne School and the IB program. That is posted on the website. I showed you where to find that during our meeting, but do make sure that you click that so that you are aware and you are documented as being aware of the academic integrity policy of the IB program. Now, the extended essay, when you do this form, you will be signing up for a possibility of 2 different topics. So the choice, your first choice is going to be this first one here. You need to click one of these, okay? Then you need to come here. If you are picking World Studies, you need to tell me the additional area that you would like to address right through here. So World Studies, as talked about, is a combination of 2. So if you're going to be picking World Studies, you need to answer this question. If you are not picking World Studies, leave this question blank, okay? What is your initial research question? So from this point on, what is the initial research question you have? You need to answer this. You cannot tell me, I don't know. If you're confused on what a research question is, look on the website. That is going to be posted on there. It'll be explained there, and it would have been explained during the workshop as well. You need to tell me why you want to complete your extended essay in this subject, and specifically, why do you want to look at this research question? You should pick an extended essay topic over something that you are interested in. Do not pick a topic if you are not interested in that topic. That's going to make it incredibly long and incredibly boring. Make sure you pick a topic over something you're interested in. That is the reason I'm asking this question. The next question, what source materials, scientific methodologies, etc. are going to be used to answer your research question? What are you going to be looking at? Are you going to be conducting an experiment? Are you going to be reading a lot of sources, looking at primary sources, for example, journals written by the individual? You're going to be looking at scientific data. You need to tell me what research methodologies you are using. Are you going to be using quantitative research? You're going to be using qualitative research. You're going to be using kind of a mixed method and using a number of those, okay? The next question is provide a link to 3 academic sources that will allow you to address the subject and the topic you are looking at. These need to be academic, okay? This is not an article from BuzzFeed. This is not an article that was published in the New York Times. This needs to be academic sources. Encyclopedias do not count as academic sources. Do not link Britannica or Wikipedia here, okay? You need to provide academic sources. Again, information on finding academic sources is posted on the website, so do look there if you have any questions, or you're always welcome to contact me. Next, you need to briefly state the context of your research question. So basically, how does this research question fit within what you already know and what everyone else already knows? How is what you're looking at different to what other people are doing? You need to tell me basically the purpose of you doing this research. Lastly, why is this topic and this research question worth investigating? Why are you looking into this? Why are you doing research on this? Why should I care that you're doing research on this individual topic? That is what you need to be answering in this last question. If you cannot answer that, you do not have a good, strong research question, and you should not be doing it. That's going to be the second part. The second part is option number 2, where you're going to pick a different subject than you picked for your first one, okay? You're going to be doing the same thing right down here. So you're going to sign up for a possibility of 2 different research questions, and these will come to the IB team. We will look at them, and then you will be assigned your supervisor based upon the subject that you choose, okay? If you have questions on how to do this, again, please contact me, but this was talked about now in the workshop and here, so you should be good to go. Lastly, if you do not submit this by the deadline, you will not be completing the extended essay regardless. That means if you are a full IB student, you will fail the IB program. It is crucial that you do this on time and you meet all deadlines. Do not put this off until the last minute, okay? If you submit something and you do not submit portions, for example, you do not submit 3 academic sources, I will return this to you. You will do it again, okay? So make sure that you do the information provided and asked for in this form. If you have questions, please do contact me. We'll get you squared off. Otherwise, you are good to go. Good luck on the extended essay process, and I will see you later. Good luck.